You are listening to the Birds Audio Guide. Number 6. You are now in Porta Romana Station. Connection with Death Line. Please change here to the Blue Line and prepare for the end of your journey. Don't you feel tired? Are you starting to feel all the weight from all these years? Maybe it's time to rest. Don't you want to sleep forever? But don't worry, this is not the end because you are not dead until you're forgotten. Why not become part of something immortal and useful at the same time? At the Natural History Museum, you can join the Dead Bird Society in the mausoleum and serve a greater purpose. This could be also useful for humans to understand more of the amazing birds world.